Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Alpha Commission, where lifelong learners help each other understand the crypto space. We share our ideas, our thoughts, our experiences, and you can visit us over at alphacommission.com. There's a link to our Discord on the website or below the video in the description. Today we're going to be talking about, is the Bitcoin party over? Some of you may have woken up to a bit of red on the chart, and we can go ahead and see this massive drop here, right? This could freak out a lot of people because your altcoins that you jumped into once you saw Bitcoin getting a bit bullish earlier this week, and last week, you may have jumped in a little bit late waiting for that confirmation, right? Compared to those who just buy at the bottom of the market like total degens, right? Well, you waited for confirmation, and now you're wondering whether or not that was a good decision, because as you have Bitcoin pulling back, alts are just going to be screaming down, you know? They're going to be way more skittish than Bitcoin. And so, it doesn't hurt to take your profits along the way, right? Whenever you reached a new level, or if you marked off some areas where there might be some resistance, then it doesn't hurt to take some profits. And that doesn't mean you take your whole bag out of the market, but you should take sizable profits because you don't know if Bitcoin's going to continue its trek downward. And why is that possible? Because look, we're making lower highs, lower highs. This is still technically a lower high. We haven't done anything particularly interesting in the world of Bitcoin yet. We're just taking out this area right here. Now that's pretty good, and the fact that we haven't dropped below this area is a great sign. And I want to show you just some of my thoughts on that in a bit. But just to imagine the worst case scenario and put that to the side, right here we have the 200 EMA, right? In summer, we had a spike very similar to what we're seeing right here, which came right up to about the 200 EMA, and then it got rejected and it was slammed way down. Many of you may be thinking, well, this could be a possible repeat of that scenario where we pumped up to the 200 after this massive downturn, change in trend, massive downturn, change in trend, pump up to the 200, pump up to 200, and are we going to get smacked down and make even potentially a lower low and continue Bitcoin's trek downward? Well, that's a possibility. And if we look at the EMA ribbon, it's very similar to that summer structure. There's no denying that this is a very similar formation right now.